Imagine waking up, sitting on your phone or laptop, and your only job for the day is typing simple tasks like converting documents, writing what you hear from audio, or formatting files, and you actually get paid in dollars for it. This is what get paid to type online really means in 2026. But let me be very honest with you, this is not magic money. It only works when you understand what companies actually need and how to connect yourselves to those jobs. Most beginners fail because they think typing jobs are just random tasks online, but in reality, companies are outsourcing real work like converting handwritten notes into digital documents, turning audio meetings into written text, organizing data into spreadsheets, and in fact formatting books, CVs, or even reports. So what you're actually doing is not just typing, you're helping businesses turn messy information into clean, usable documents. And today I'm going to be breaking every single thing for you down step by step so you actually start earning from it. Let's clear confusion first. When someone actually pays you for typing online, they're not just paying you for your keyboard skills, they're actually paying you to save their time. Think about it like this: a business owner has 10 hours of audio recordings from meetings, but instead of them spending their own time to type it, they actually pay someone online to convert it into text. And that's where you actually come in. Or in fact, a company that has hundreds of customer records in handwritten form, obviously they wouldn't want to waste their time, so instead they're going to outsource freelancers. So your job is basically to take information from one format, convert it to another clean format, and then deliver it properly in an organized manner to the person. And that's why typing jobs exist everywhere online. Now let's go deeper into where the money actually comes from. Let's start with the very first platform, which is called Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a freelancing website, and it's actually very beginner friendly as an entry point. Fiverr works differently from job applications because instead of you applying here, you're basically creating a service listing. So instead of waiting for jobs, you simply say, I will type your document professionally within 24 hours. And here's actually what happens behind the scene. Someone in the US or UK actually searches on Fiverr for typing jobs, and then they find your service, and if your profile looks simple, clear, and in fact trustworthy, they simply order from you. And that is actually how to get your first income stream. What most beginners don't realize is the fact that Fiverr is not just about experience, it's about clarity, because buyers actually want fast delivery, clean formatting, and someone that is very reliable. Even beginners can win if they present their service properly. The second platform on today's list is Upwork. Upwork is actually another job marketplace, but it's actually a bit different compared to Fiverr. Here, clients post jobs like need someone to type 20 pages of handwritten notes, and then you can simply apply. But here's the secret: clients don't just hire the most experienced person, they hire someone that looks like they understand what they want. So your proposal matters because you don't have to show your experience. Instead, you have to show that you understand what they actually want, and that alone can win you a whole lot of jobs here in this platform. And now moving to the third in today's list is TranscribeMe. This is basically a platform where you simply type out what you hear rather than you just typing out a handwritten note. But here's the important part about this platform: they actually test you before they give you access. But then the test is actually not complicated. It's all about attention, accuracy, and then punctuation. Once you pass, you get paid per audio minute, and this is where consistent earners make money daily. But then the most important part in this video is how exactly the beginners get their first job. This is where most people get stuck, not because the jobs are hard, but because they don't understand momentum. Here is actually how you can get your first job. First things first, you don't wait for perfection. You create a basic Fiverr or Upwork profile the same day. Then you apply or publish services immediately. Now here is the truth: your first job is not about skill, it's simply about visibility. Nobody can hire you if you're not visible. So what works fastest is a simple service title, low starting price, fast response time, and a clear communication. Your first 1 to 3 jobs are usually small, but those jobs are what builds trust, and after that everything becomes easier. Typing jobs are one of the easiest ways to start earning online, but only if you treat it like a real skill, not a shortcut. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys another method where you can actually literally get paid to just speak English online even without teaching experience. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like in this video, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.